Now the right outer join with exclusion, we're just throwing in a where clause that says where table 1's foreign key is null, and it returns all the rows from table 2 that don't match to table 1. So this one, the right outer join with exclusion, and again, I'm just going to run the first part without the where clause first, and when we run that, we can see, whoops, highlight the right part, we can see that we get back exactly the same thing we saw in the right outer join before. But what we want to do is find the 3 colors that aren't chosen by anyone. And that comes back as pink, mauve, and orange. So that would be the colors that you do not want to print any t-shirts for people. You don't want to have any t-shirts made for people of those colors because nobody seems to enjoy those colors. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.